Good job, Daddy.
Wait a second.
Wait.
You want to go the whole way?
No, he just wants to.
No, you can stay in front of me.
Oh, okay. Okay, you got that.
Good job, Dad.
You can come in with me.
I'll send it to the girls.
And then when you're done, I want you to sit up in the chair for a little bit, okay?
471.
Let's try to do one more walk to the door, and then have a seat.
My name is Deanna. Ma'am? I don't know what they... Oh, God, yeah. It's stuck on the floor. Hold it, I need to put